Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can get your national ID card screenshotted without going to pay any money for you to get the plastic one. If you do not want to get the plastic one, which is the physical card, so you can follow this tutorial. Stick with me to the end of this tutorial. I'm going to show you the step-by-step method that I used, and it really worked for me. I just managed to enter into my dashboard and got these screenshotted and made it the way it really worked for me, while I made use of it on various platforms for verification of ID card. So in this particular tutorial, you get yours screenshotted by following this trick that I'm going to show you today. So right now, normally if you want to obtain your national ID card, you are expected to pay a sum of 1,200 naira to the bank through bank transfer or via the meter method of payment. So but if you do not want to do that, and also not only that you're going to pay online, you are also going to pay for the service, those that are going to service the ID card for you, which is the cyber cafe people that you are going to meet for them to print out the ID card. They are also going to charge you a sum of 500 naira or 800 naira thereabout. So but in this tutorial I want to show you a trick through which you can get the screenshot of this, and if you can be able to crop it very well, it will really work for you. It will really work for you, and you can use it for verification of ID card online on various platforms such as Binance or any other platform where it might be needed. So right now I'm going to go straight to the process that it will take you. Normally, if you want to get your ID card printed, so you can see on my dashboard I have print NIN here. Right here you have print NIN. This is where you should go, and when you get to this place, you click on this. You get to this place, you click on this, your detail will pop up like this. You log in like this. It will show you print premium slip. So if it's showing this, you can also come to this place and choose another option, which is print standard slip. Standard slip, I think it's at a rate of 400 naira or 500 naira thereabout, but this particular premium slip is like the main one, and it's going to cost like 1,000 naira or 1,200. You have to pay 1,200 online for them to send the PDF format of this to you. So right now what we're going to do is to show you the step you can follow and get the screenshot of this without making payment. So but if you want to pay, if you want to get the plastic one, you can follow this link and click on this print premium. It will pop up to this particular page. As you can see, it's saying pay with remitter. So when you click on pay with remitter, it will take you to a new page. So it's saying please do not leave page until payment is made. So you go straight to this place and you can click on this particular place if you do not want to use your card for payment. But if you want to make use of your card for payment, you select this and fill in the form. Fill this in, fill your card date and the CVV of your card. Once you do that, you pay a sum of 1,200 naira 0.63 kobo. So this is the amount that you're going to make pay with online. So when you finish paying, you click on you zoom in, or you can exit this and confirm that I have paid. It will process the stuff for you and send the PDF format of this ID card into your email address. So guys, if you don't want to make use of card, you can click on this place. You can click here and you select many options through which you can be able to pay with. So when you finish paying, you can go back to this place and cancel it. So you come back to this place and click on this I have already paid, and the message will be processed, and the soft copy of it will be sent in form of PDF into your email address. So you can be able to go there and access it. You go to a cyber cafe where they print ID card, and they can collect like 500 naira or 800 naira thereabout for them to print it out for you. So and but on the note where you do not want to make payment online, this is the main goal of this video. I will show you how you can just stick with me to the end. You just get this done without paying money. You can just get the screenshot of this. But normally it doesn't allow you to screenshot, but this trick really worked for me, and I want to show you how it does and how it works. So you click on this home. So when you click on home, it's going to take you to a page like this. So click on this, you come to this place, you come to this place, you come to this place. So when you come to this place, you click on show my ID. You click on show my ID, click here. So when you click here, it will take you to your ID page. Take you to your ID page. So take you to your ID page like this. So these are my details, guys. I'm going to cover it up. So to take you to a page like this, you can be able to screenshot it. You can be able to carry out the screenshot. As you can see me do this, it really worked for me. It really worked. So you do this, and then you can crop it and save it to your phone. Save it to your phone. So guys, this is what you are going to do. So what you're going to do is that I'll drop my WhatsApp link on the description of this video. Then when you chat me up, I will show you the process I took, and I got this screenshotted. So guys, if you like this video, just give it a like and a thumbnail. Subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified whenever I drop another video like this one. YouTube will notify you about that. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video to your friends. So thank you guys. God bless.